High five. Hey YouTube, how's everyone doing? Yakfish Taco here. So today is June 9th, like it's almost mid-June, and I'm out here last time for Morel. I wasn't planning on being here, but the fishing down in Colombia was so windy. I caught a few fish, but then I was like, okay, I'm done. So I come up here to see if there's any Morel left, and sure it is. I got quite a few, and to my pleasant surprise, and they're actually pretty good. But I can really feel this is the end, because they're really hard to find. They're really deep in there and well undercovered. But some big ones, some big plum, some big juicy ones. This is a big one. To my surprise, it's pretty fresh, you know. And then, but a lot of them are kind of dried out, but there's some nice juicy ones like this one, you know, plum and fresh. So we got one porcini, king bolete. That's a surprise. Didn't really intend to look for that. And voila, I think this is about 36, about 3 dozens of them out here. It's a pretty decent day, right, for almost mid-June. Elevation 4200. This one's really dry. Alright, so I think I am done with Morel this year. I came up here 5 times, but I only did 2 videos. But the other 3 times I'm pretty successful too. This is the last one, so I want to record this moment. So alright, I see you guys up here next year. Bye.